Hey everyone, I just wanted to go over how to upload a video to YouTube and have it premiere instead of it just already be able to be visible. Maybe you want to have a specific time it shows for performance or something special. So for this example, we can see that this is one of our videos that we have to, it's going to premiere. It says premiere here. Obviously our other ones are, we can just click on them and they're visible. So when we go into YouTube, we can click on our create option and we can go to upload video. This is where we want to find the video that we want to upload for our premiere. I'm going to select one of these videos right here for this example. You'll enter your normal title and your description. It'll give us an option for a thumbnail. This will load in a minute. For now, I'm going to leave it as it is. And then when it finishes loading the video, I'll come back and make sure that's the option I want. Or I could upload a specific thumbnail. My choices here didn't change, so I'm going to just leave that one. If you have a playlist that you would like this to go into, this is where you could select it. I'm not going to select a playlist for this specific video. I'm going to say yes, it's made for kids because it is appropriate. I'm going to choose my next option. I don't have any additional items I want to add for this, any elements. I'm going to click next one more time. Here's where we'll select our public or private or unlisted. This is a public video for this example. And here's our premiere choice. This is important. So we want to set a premiere. And we want to schedule it. Pick the date right here and the specific time and time zone that we want it to be premiered or basically visible at that specific time. I'm going to choose today at, we'll do 10:30 again. And I like to make sure I'm on the right time zone. Good, good, good. Set as premiere. Check that box. And this is where we'll get our cool little countdown, and it will say premiere once we come down here and click schedule. Again, it shows us our little box that says premiere. If we copy our video link here and we go to a new tab and we paste that link, because it's not time to premiere yet, it will show a little preview of our video and it will say it premieres in 7 minutes because that's the time we chose for this video. Hopefully this is helpful and hopefully this is something you can use.